Cyprus is widely recognized as a center of excellence as regards to the provision of professional services. The same applies regarding legal services, thanks to a significant number of highly skilled and experienced multilingual advocates and a relatively high number of law firms with international clientele. Additionally, the Cypriot legal system is frequently cited as one of the country's competitive advantages, given that it is based on English common law, especially when it comes to contract law and company law.
What I see as the most important element of success in legal practice is evolution, and legal practice must pick up the evolutionary pace. Either this points to the path of investments or to the path of new technologies. In order to advise someone on anything relating to technology, you must appreciate technology first. It sounds simple or obvious, but it is so precious in legal practice. Especially when it comes to innovation, there is a whole new world out there. Traditional and mainstream piece of legal advice is neither useful nor even an option. In my view, every big law firm is currently challenged to find the best way to make a decent entry into innovative technologies like blockchain.
Companies incorporated under the laws of Cyprus are required to comply with a series of day-to-day tasks in order to meet the needs of today's international business community. This means that a full range of corporate administration services must always be proactive and diligent. This will make the incorporation process, as well as the operation of any company, more efficient and more productive. Cyprus has a long tradition in performing high-quality services, rendering the country among the top jurisdictions for incorporation purposes. Given the national interest to employ new technologies such as blockchain, Cyprus is definitely looking to enhance its competitive advantage in this sector.
This is a quick guide of how a blockchain share certificate is generated and how it can be used. The corporate administrator uses a pre-made digital template of a share certificate to fill in all required data. The completed digital copy of the share certificate is given to the signatories of the company to place their digital signature and to return it back to the corporate administrator duly signed. The corporate administration department generates a unique fingerprint for the share certificate and links it to an append-only public blockchain. The blockchain digital share certificate is then delivered to the shareholder. From now on, the shareholder can electronically share it with any person or legal entity in case he or she wishes. For instance, to negotiate the sale of his or her shares with any prospective buyer, or for the purpose of pledge of shares or for any other use. The shareholder or any person who possesses the digital share certificate can validate the authenticity of the share certificate by either visiting verify.americanoslaw.com or by scanning the QR code on the bottom right edge of the digital share certificate. The verification process instantly reveals to the holder of the digital share certificate, without the need of contacting any intermediary or public authority, whether this is valid or not valid. In case the indication is valid, the positive result is followed by the name of the company, the country of incorporation, the registration number of the company, the name of the shareholder, and the issuance date of the certificate. The not valid result is a warning sign, meaning that the certificate has been previously revoked or the uploaded version has no digital fingerprint. Hence, the interested person is strongly advised to take additional measures to check the authenticity of the share certificate.
We all know that consulting and structuring business projects is just one side of the same coin. The other one, perhaps less explored but more beneficial, is how we become innovative ourselves in our services. The sooner we all embark on identifying and applying blockchain solutions in our daily practice, the quicker we can adapt to the more transparent and confident business environment anchored by this technology. I believe this is the crucial test for all of us.
A totally different daily routine lies ahead of us, ahead of every lawyer.